Assalamu alaikum students. There is a poem named from a railway carriage. In this lecture I'll provide you the notes of this poem which I had explained previously. So take out your copies and start writing the word central idea. This poem has been written by Robert Louis Stevenson. In this poem, the poet describes what one can see from a railway carriage. He says that witches, houses, ditches pass by a grassy land where the cattle are grazing, painted station whistle by in a few seconds. Hills and plains pass away quickly. There are so many things which can be seen from a running train, such as a cart and field, etc. So, put the heading of question and answer. Question number 1. Who has written this poem? A Scottish poet, Robert Louis Stevenson, has written this poem. Second question. What type of experience has been described in this poem? Question mark. In this poem, the poet has described a very exciting experience. He tells us what we see and how we feel when we travel by a train. Full stop. It sounds so good that one enjoys every bit of traveling. Overall, it was a tremendous journey which forced the poet to express in poetic form. Third question. What did the poet see from a running train? Answer is the poet could see a variety of charming sights while traveling by a railway carriage. Houses, hedges, ditches, bridges, meadows, a cart, a child, a tramp, the kettle, a mill, a railway station, a river, hills and mountain, etc. He carried a lot of pride by traveling through a speedy train. Come to question number 4. What pleasure does a railway journey give to the poet? Answer. The railway journey brings a lot of joy and pleasure to the poet. It proves to be an exciting and pleasant experience to him when he finds so many things running backward, each a glimpse and gone forever. Question number 5. Who is a tramp? What was he doing when railway passed by? Answer is a tramp is a homeless person who goes from one place to place and does not do regular work. He was starting at the carriage as he was looking for someone to come. Now put the heading of fill in the blanks or objective with the next page. From a railway carriage was written by Dash, Robert Louis Stevenson. Second, he was a Scottish Dash poet and essayist, novelist. Third, Robert Dash was born in 1894, Louis Stevenson. Number 4, faster than fairies, faster than Dash, which is Number 5. Robert Louis Stevenson loved Dash and understand them, children. Number 6. He was born in Edinburgh. Number 7. The theme of this poem is that a railway journey is a Dash experience, pleasant. Number 8. And there is the green for starting the dash daisies. Number 9. All of the sight of the hill and the dash plain. Fly as thick as driving rain. Number 10, he died in dash 1894. Now students, start with the next page. Put the heading of reference to contest. Now note down this stanza. Here is a cart run away in the road, lumping along with man and load, and there is a mill and there is a river, each a glimpse and gone forever. Question number 1. Mention the name of the poem and the poet. Answer is from a railway carriage and the poet is Robert Louis Stevenson. Second question, what did the poet see in this stanza? Answer is he had seen a cart, a man by the road, and a mill and a river. Here glimpse mean a brief look. So student, this is the last topic of my lecture, reference to contest. Student, what you have to do, you have to complete your work and bring your copies for correction on Wednesday positively from 9 to 12 timing. We will be there and we will check your copies and mark your name with the completed work. And kindly don't forget to bring your assignment of transformation of sentences I had given to you previously in my previous language lectures. So kindly bring your assignment and submit it to me on Wednesday by entitling your name and class, and bring your complete literature copies because it is the second last topic of first term. Next topic is dignity of work. It will be the last chapter of this first term. Then we will onwards start our complete our language topics as well, and we are having only 5 topics in language left and then the composition. So language work should be done in the language portion or in your language copies, and literature work is going to complete now. Kindly bring your copies for correction. Okay student, stay blessed and stay healthy. Complete my work. Take care of yourself. I'll be waiting for you. Allah Hafiz.